Hi, my name is Sarvesh and you are watching D365 Notes. So in my last video, I have covered about how to take a picture of a receipt and how to capture a receipt and how to attach existing image of receipt. So in this video, I will cover about how to attach a receipt on an expense. Okay, so we will see that in this video. So these are the receipts. So I will show you. Either you can do from here, like you can just open a receipt and do it from here like this at attached to an expense report. So I will show you, sorry, attached to an expense. If any existing expense is there, I will attach on that. So there is one 21 USD expense is already there, so I am attaching that receipt on this. So receipt is successfully attached and you will see these are the information of specific expense. Okay, so let's run it. Now you will see all the informations of existing expense. Now click on done. So this will be synced in real time. So if you see, if you go to system expense management and if you go to my expenses and expenses, you will see your expense as well as with attached report. So let me find this. So if I select and click on receipt, so you will find that receipt. Okay, here. If you want to open that, you can open after saving in the system. So let me show you this. That was nothing. I have captured nothing in last video. Okay, this is the one way around. So let me show you another way around to attach a receipt on an expense. So let's create a new expense and attach a receipt. So I have one more receipt available, this one. So I can create an expense and attach a receipt, create this receipt on a new expense. So let me show you that. So select existing. So during if I click on this add button for expense, it will ask me to click a picture. So if I have already clicked picture, then I can just click on select existing. So I will select this existing and click on done. Okay, now select a category, expense category. Let me select some kind of meal expense and amount, let me give $91. Okay, USD, and transaction date, let it be here, and click on done. Okay, so this is how the expense will be created in the system. So I have covered about how to create an expense and how to attach an receipt with an existing expense. So this is created with $90 and it will immediately sync to our F&O system. So let me show you. So for that you can go to expense management, my expense and expenses. Here you will see this is my expense. So if I click on receipt, you will find this receipt attached, same receipt. If I show you, wait, let me open this. So same receipt, if you click on view receipt, same receipt is attached and you can see. So this is how an expense is booked in expense management mobile app, and how attach this is how you can attach an expense expense receipt to your expense management app, and how expense is created. So I have covered about these topics. So remaining part I will cover in the next video. So till that time, tada, bye bye, see you in the next one. If you have any doubt or query, please let me know in the comment.